Hey, welcome to Performance Vacuum. About a week or two ago, I made a video saying we kind of had that Clippy repair philosophy that you hear Louis Rossmann talk about. Well, I want to show kind of our repair philosophy. If you're not familiar with what this is, and I'll show it put together here in a minute, this is an Electrolux, probably from the early 90s. It's an upright. It was a premium vacuum. It was a very expensive vacuum back then, and the customer really likes it. Well, they don't make parts available. In fact, this company is not even making vacuums anymore. However, because our goal is to try and fix whatever we can with what we got, it needed a new wiring harness. As you can see that's all busted. Well, I happen to have a wiring harness, and I also happen to have the parts that were cracked laying around in a machine in our graveyard. So this old machine that's 30 years old is going to get resurrected. As you can see, all the parts are out of it, pretty much from scratch. We're going to go ahead and put together for the customer, and why this isn't the least expensive repair we've ever done, it certainly is less than a quarter of replacing this machine. Well, as you can see, this 30-year-old vacuum is working, and God knows what else happened to this thing before I saw it, but it's now functioning as it should. Has a new wiring harness in there, has a new handle, has this new center bracket. So hopefully the customer's happy. And again, this is a heck of a lot cheaper than buying a replacement. So thanks for watching, folks. If you're looking for vacuum repair in the Denver metro area, our information is in the description box below. Go ahead and give us a call or stop in our store. Subscribe on your way out and have yourself a wonderful day.